Since a session can last several hours, users will probably want to work with a dataset that isn't updated or changed to keep query results consistent. You also can't accurately cache query results with data changing at any time. Fortunately, you can have a static database view during a session, even during updates. This allows the database to be updated at any time without affecting user work. Every session keeps a full copy of the database metadata. This specifies the physical location of the data elements, so the session's accumulator and subprocesses know where to access it. A second data copy can then be updated while an existing session uses the first. We call this the AB method for updating data. Other systems refer to this as Multiversion Concurrency Control, or MVCC. Let's look at an AB data update. In diagram A user logs into the Tenten data platform and an accumulator process is created. The accumulator is the main database process that is created for each user. It contains all the metadata for any tables that the user can access. Here we see the metadata for user 1. It contains references to the physical data located across the server cluster, shown in dark orange. Now let's look at diagram B. User 1 is still logged into the platform, but a data update is running. We see a new pair of metadata and content, shown in yellow. User 1's data isn't overwritten, as the new data is written and committed in parallel. User 1 doesn't see the update and continues to query on the data created at login. Now to diagram C. User 1 works with his consistent data version. User 2 logs in after a data update and sees the latest data. User 1 and 2 see views of the data that is consistent for them, so they may not see the same data as each other. User 1 logs out and then back in. Now he receives the new data. Maintaining a user's session state allows us to provide consistent views of the data, even with updates. If a user wants to override this and access the latest data, they can relog in to start a new session or use a command to update a table view.